So now we're going to work out the mean of our data set. Now, as we're working out the mean, we don't need to arrange our data set into ascending order. So we don't need to arrange it from smallest to highest, because all we're doing is adding up all the numbers that are in our data set. So we're just adding 11 and 12, add 9, add 26, add 14, add 17, and add 16. And then what we need to do is we need to then divide that by the number of values in our data set. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 values in our data set. So we divide the total by 7. So that would equal 105 divided by 7. Okay, so our mean is 15. Okay, so we've added all the numbers together that are in our data set, and then we've divided it by the total number of values. Okay, so this time we have decimal points, decimal numbers in our data set. So we can still work out the mean even though we are using decimals. So we use this exactly the same principle. We have to total up all the numbers that are in our data set. So 2.4, add 1.6, add 3.2, and so on. And then we have to divide that by the number of values in our data set. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we divide this by 8. So the mean is all this totaled up, which is 22.4, divided by the number of values in our data set, which is 8. So that gives us a mean of 2.8. And we can look at our data set and think, is 2.8 representative of the data that we have in there? Well, our lowest value is this one, 1.8. No, it's not actually. It's 1.6. And our highest value is 4.5. So 2.8 is roughly in between 1.6 and 4.5. You could work that out exactly if you'd like to, but it's always good to question your answer and whether it fits in with the data and whether it makes sense.